I'd like to take a few minutes of your time to show you how the HP Scitex FB500 printer can help your business. Our customers are able to quickly turn around their orders with a printer that lets them print and load media simultaneously. They're able to target new applications with quality results on virtually any rigid or flexible print media, and they're able to rely on a dependable, robust device with a space-saving design. The HP Scitex FB500 is an ideal printer for print service providers looking for a device to produce high-quality indoor and durable outdoor applications on a broad range of print media. The printer has a maximum print width of 64 inches or 162 centimeters and can print up to 4 rigid sheets of media at one time. When printing multiple copies, the efficient workflow of its belt-fed architecture makes it possible to load media and collect finished jobs while printing others to maximize printing throughput. Using the optional roll-to-roll upgrade kit, the FB500 can print either roll-to-roll for long overnight print runs or roll-to-floor to enable immediate use of printed sheets. The FB500 is easy to use. It has a touchscreen user interface and an automated printhead service station that maintains printhead health and eliminates the need for daily maintenance. The HP Scitex FB500 printer enables you to grow your business with its outstanding image quality and ability to print directly onto nearly any type of print media, rigid or flexible. Impress even your most demanding customers with its sharp image detail and smooth color transitions, thanks to its 6 original HP UV curable inks and a print resolution of up to 1200 by 600 optimized DPI. Now, this ink has excellent adhesion on smooth surface materials such as this corrugated polypropylene. The FB500 gives you the opportunity to propose new ways to enrich your customers' printing. Print with matte or gloss finishes, produce double-sided prints and full bleeds on media up to 2.5 inches or 6.4 centimeters thick. Take advantage of the optional white ink upgrade kit for printing undercoats, overcoats, and spot color on clear or colored media. One of the key challenges we have today is customers requesting better service, shorter lead times. What sets this printer apart from other flatbed printers is its ability to deliver jobs quickly with an efficient workflow that allows you to load, print, and collect media simultaneously. Media is inserted and squared up against the media alignment bar. You can load up to 4 sheets across using these alignment pins. The pins allow you to insert subsequent sheets in the same location. The FB500 has a robust and multi-zoned vacuum system that holds the media flat and transports it through the printer regardless of its size or placement on the belt, and does so without the need to mask off areas with tape or other material as you would with other flatbed printers. It's now measuring the thickness and will automatically position the print heads at the proper height above the media for optimum image quality. It then determines the position and width of each piece of media to precisely position the printed image to the location of the media. This media detection process simplifies loading of media while improving accuracy and reducing human error. It also eliminates the manual and tedious task of setting up a multiple copy job at the RIP or with design software. When printing multiple copies to speed throughput, you can load a second set of boards while printing the first. Once the first set is complete, the printer immediately begins printing the second set, allowing you to collect the finished prints at your convenience. Interruptions are minimized thanks to the large 3-liter ink supplies that easily snap into place. And you can check the ink levels from the front display panel or remotely using the printer's embedded web server. Now let me show you how simple it is to do a 2-sided job. With the HP Scitex FB500, front-to-back registration is easy to obtain and very accurate thanks to the media detection and measuring process we showed you earlier. You simply set it to center the image on the boards and have it eject them back to this side so that you can turn the board over without having to retrieve them from the other side. Select 2-sided printing, The printer will now prompt me to select a file for the first side and then for the second side. It can be the same file or a different one. Once the first side is printed, it ejects it back out to this side, where you simply turn it over and reload it to print the second side. The printer automatically aligns the first side to the second side. It's just that easy. All of the functions of this printer are controlled by this easy-to-use touchscreen display. It has 5 main categories located along the bottom. The home screen gives you an overview of the printer status, such as if the lamps are on and media is loaded. The printing screen is where you would set various printer options, and it gives you quick access to pre-ripped and previously printed jobs. The media screen is where you select media type, change media settings, advance or eject the media. Selecting ink gives you the status of the installed ink cartridges and also access to ink-related tasks such as printing prime bars or automated cleaning procedures. And the system screen gives you access to other system tools and settings, for example, selecting language or changing between metric and imperial measurements. The optional white ink upgrade kit for the FB500 printer lets you expand your applications beyond the limitations of white media. Now you can print on clear media such as acrylic and glass, or on black media for a very elegant look. Now, the inline printing capability of the FB500 allows you to simultaneously print white as an undercoat with colored media or as an overcoat for high-quality images viewed through clear media, and even as a separate spot color to make specific items stand out. The white ink is designed to replace the light cyan and light magenta ink channels within the printer. You decide when to use the white ink or when to remove it. Changing between ink sets is easy and automated. Simply remove the light cyan and light magenta inks. Then install a single 2-liter cartridge of white ink and connect the 2 ink lines to what was used as the light cyan and light magenta channels. When using white ink, the printer periodically activates this HP white ink homogenizer that maintains the stability of the white ink, preventing pigment sedimentation. Installing a single white ink profiler in place of the light cyan and light magenta ink profilers informs the printer that ink has been changed and will ask you to confirm that you want to continue installing the new ink. That's it. The printer automatically empties the light cyan and light magenta ink from the lines and print heads, cleans the print heads, and installs the white ink. Changing back to 6 colors is much the same way. Now, this process does take about 2 hours to complete, so you may want to do this before going home for the day so that it's ready to print the next morning. The printer's automated service station maintains printhead health and eliminates the need for daily maintenance, so the printer is ready to print when you are. The HP Scitex FB500 printer is designed to fit your business with a minimal footprint on your shop floor. The tables can be detached from the printer when not in use and folded upward and stacked to save precious shop space. Printing on larger sheets of media bigger than 4 feet or 1.2 meters can easily be accomplished by adding the optional extended media tables. No external blowers or air compressor are required, and the printing area is fully enclosed, minimizing risks related to UV light emission or moving parts. With the optional roll-to-roll upgrade kit, you can print on both rigid and flexible media with the same printer. You can manage your entire print workflow with one device, one user interface, and one investment. The roll-to-roll upgrade kit enables you to increase your print capacity to better cope with peak demand, print entire campaigns with greater color consistency. Changing from rigid sheets to roll-fed media is quick and easy. With the tables removed and out of the way, the roll of flexible media is ready to load into the printer. Selecting a media type that is roll-fed, the FB500 guides me through the loading process. The first step is to move these foam rollers into position. Then insert the media between the 2 rollers and onto the vacuum transport belt. Lowering this roller provides a good interface for the media and vacuum belt. Then advance the media into position to complete the load process. The printer automatically measures the media thickness and senses the edges to determine its location for printing. It is now ready for printing in a roll-to-floor application. For example, if you just needed 1 or 2 prints. For longer unattended print runs, the media is attached to this take-up roller. This enables you to get the most out of your printer. I can run rigid materials during the day and worry-free unattended banner jobs during the night. And with the embedded web server that runs in the HP Scitex FB500 printer, you're able to remotely check on the printer status. The HP Scitex FB500 printer is the UV curable ink-based printer that allows you to quickly turn around orders with a simultaneous print, load, and collect workflow. It allows you to pursue new opportunities and grow your business with high-quality prints on virtually any rigid or flexible substrate. Plus, the touchscreen display and automation of the FB500 makes it easy to use and operate. The HP Scitex FB500 printer is a dependable, robust device with a space-saving design to fit your business now and in the future.